Hi everybody, it's Alex Hughes
and Ricky Lee Jewell
with the North Pacific Homes Group and eXp Realty.
And we're so excited to show you our new listing at 548 Niagara Street in James Bay.
This home offers tons of opportunity, either ready to move in and make it your own or purchase as an investment property. Now the beautiful thing about this duplex is with being on the corner of Clarence and Niagara, it's not your typical side-by-side construction. You aren't sharing every wall with your neighbor here, which gives you more of a detached feel. Now this home is 2,500 square feet and it features a 1-bedroom basement suite. Now for your primary residence, you get 2 bed, 2.5 bath, with the basement being allocated to the laundry room and under the stair storage. Why don't we go see Ricky in the living room?
The home was built with meticulous care in 1995, and the living room has 9-foot ceilings, which allows tons of sunlight to flow in, and a natural gas fireplace. Right off the dining room, you can spend your summer evenings enjoying a barbecue on your 284 square foot balcony. Alex is in the kitchen, let's go check it out.
Welcome to the kitchen. With the 9-foot ceilings carrying throughout, you got a great open feel for it. Another fantastic feature is the heated floors and the bar seating. Now why don't you go meet Ricky upstairs and she can show you the bedrooms.
Upstairs has an oversized primary bedroom with double wide closets, plenty of room for storage, and a natural gas fireplace. Now I love this bathroom, which features a soaker tub, stand-up shower, and pedestal sink. Across the hallway is the second bedroom, which also has an ensuite bathroom. And as we mentioned earlier, the downstairs is allocated to laundry and understairs storage. James Bay is one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in Victoria due to its walking distance to the ocean and proximity to downtown, while still being outside of the downtown core in a community-centered neighborhood. Walking the iconic Breakwater and Dallas Road oceanside pathways is an easy addition to your routine living here, and you've got plenty of well-loved local businesses to explore, from Barb's Fish and Chips at Fisherman's Wharf to the seasonal markets and James Bay Coffee and Books. Thank you so much for joining us on this listing tour.
If you think this home is perfect for you or anybody you know, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.